how to enable voice chat in Roblox. So if you want to enable voice chat in your Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Roblox application. After opening your Roblox, you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. If it asks you for an upgrade, you can just simply go and upgrade it. Once you open up your Roblox, now you just need simply make sure that the voice chat option is visible or disabled. For that, you need to go with 3 lines, which will be in the top left. And from here, you need to go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with privacy and content restrictions. Now, under your privacy and content restrictions, if you don't see any voice chat option, you can just simply tap on communication. And as you can see that in my case, I don't have any voice chat option. Now, if you don't see any voice chat option here, it means we need to turn on the 2 settings without using a phone number. Now, what you need to do is just simply go back and then go with your account info session. So tap on account info. Under the account info tab, you need to click on the pencil shaped icon, which will be on the right side, and then enter a valid email address. Check the box and then click on add email address or verify your email address. If your email address isn't verified, then you won't find the voice chat option. So make sure that your email is verified and make sure that you're the age above 13, because email alone is not enough for your voice chat. You need to verify your account as well, like your age. So just simply go and verify your age as well, and you will find the voice chat option. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.